out my goddamn hand. He's decent. You almost lost the rod, TJ.
You got that on video, right?
Oh shit.
I think I got that on video.
I'm gonna look like a retard on that one.
Hopefully your GoPro is alive.
Oh, it is. About took the rod out my hand.
Put it on the scale, man.
They do got the scale in the boat.
I got my scale too.
Yeah, yours probably more readily accessible. I think mine's in the lab well. That's a chunk, man.
No, that's a little chunk. He ain't that big, but he's a fatty.
I'd say 2.5 probably.
I was literally thinking 2.5.
Let's go! 3 pounds, 1 ounce.
Oh shit.
3 pounder, baby.
That's chunk, dude.
Let's go. See, we should be in this territory right here.
Net?
Oh, yeah, we might as well net it. It's decent, I mean, it's huge. Yeah, I could probably both sling it.
I'm gonna say
No, ain't too bad.
on the bottom.
Yeah. He smoked that freaking rage crawl, man. Another little chunk. You got your scale, TJ? I might as well weigh it. Probably 1.5 pounds.
I say 2 pounds.
I think. Two pounds even.
Oh, good.
Still 4 foot?
3 foot.
Or it's even worse going back up in here. You're picking line up over me right quick. Yo, I swear I just hope. Fucking I'm coming back for it. What you don't want to catch when you're bass fishing? You got nice fish?
No.